Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery and fan in your HP 14BK laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. There are typically 8 screws. Make sure to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Next, locate the battery. It is usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you find it difficult to disconnect, gently wiggle the connector while pulling it out. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's move on to the fan. The fan is typically located near the heatsink. Unscrew the screws holding the fan in place and carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Make sure to clean any dust buildup around the fan area using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. Once the old fan is removed, you can install the new fan by reversing the steps. Connect the fan cable to the motherboard and secure it with screws. After that, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Make sure it's firmly in place and secure it with screws. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to check for any loose connections or dust that may have accumulated. If everything looks good, place the back cover back on and screw it in place. Remember to double check that all screws are tightened properly. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your laptop back in top shape. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.